Hi friends, I'm Rimple from Rimple English Classes. Today I'm going to discuss with you the strategy of attempting true, false, not given or yes, no, not given type of questions in IELTS reading. I've shared a small passage with you. Now, when we have to attempt true, false, not given questions, generally students do the mistake of reading the paragraph first. The paragraph is not so small, it's a quite big paragraph. So we have to save time, we have to manage time. So the strategy to attempt true, false, not given question is to read the questions first. We'll read the questions, and after reading the questions, we'll highlight and underline the important keywords. Let's read the questions. Sarah's family is large and consists of 4 people. The keyword will be Sarah's family, large, 4 people. Underline that. Sarah's family shares a tight bond with each other. Sarah's family, tight bond, each other. Sarah's house is located in a suburban area. Sarah's house located suburban area. Sarah's younger sister is the youngest member of the family. Sarah's younger sister, underline it. Youngest member, underline it. And the 5th question is, Sarah's family lives in a lively neighborhood with people from different cultures. Sarah's family, live, lively neighborhood, people, culture. So these are some important keywords which we have underlined. Now we are going to the question number 1. We are going to locate what are the keywords and we are going to find the answer. The first question is, Sarah's family is large and consists of 4 people. So the name is Sarah. We are able to find the word Sarah. Let's read the sentence. My name is Sarah and I have a diverse and a close-knit family. Large means diverse. So this word matches. Consists of 4 people. The next line says there are 5 people. So it means the information is not matching. There is a mismatch. Paragraph says 5. The question says 4. So answer should be false. Let's go to the next question. Sarah's family tight bond each other. In the first sentence, we underline the word close-knit family. Close-knit means the people in the family who are closely attached or linked to each other. So a tight bond and a close-knit are the synonyms. So this answer is going to be true. The third question. Sarah's house is located in a suburban area. They have mentioned about the people in the family. The house is quite spacious. It means it's very big. The neighborhood, lot of people from different cultures live there. But where the house is located, no information is given about that. So this answer should be clear-cut, not given. Then the fourth question says, Sarah's younger sister is the youngest member of the family. Youngest. She says, the paragraph says 5 people, my father, my mother, older brother, it means the brother is elder to her. Younger sister, it means the sister is younger than her, she is elder than her sister, and me. Question says, Sarah's younger sister is the youngest? Yes, it is true because her sister is younger to her. So this answer should be true. The 5th question says, Sarah's family live in a lively neighborhood. The word lively matches with the vibrant and people from different cultures. Different cultures means multicultural. So it means both the things are exactly matching with each other. So the answer should be true. So that is how you have to find the keywords, you have to match the keywords with the synonyms, and then you have to come up with the answer. I hope this strategy helps you to solve true, false, not given. I'll be sharing 1 and 2 more exercises so that you people can practice. See you all tomorrow.